Hi Darrel, I finished the gear indicators and wanted to show it to you. So this is the Kawasaki 1200 and this is the logo, which came out pretty nice, I have to say. So once the neutral is not selected, it says select neutral, which is the green wire here, and you touch that to 12 volt, it says neutral. And then you have the yellow wire does downshifting to the first gear, and then the white wire does the upshifting up to fifth, and then it goes again down to second and first with skipping the neutral, and then you select neutral again. Neutral is 12 volt, and the gear, the up and down shift are get touched to the negative, to the minus. So this is the Kawasaki in white, and here is the Ninja in blue as you requested. So again, turn it on, power it up, it says Kawasaki Ninja, and then please select neutral. Same here, green goes to positive, selects neutral. Yellow does the downshifting to first, and white does the upshifting to up to sixth gear. And then with yellow it goes down again to ground. So this is it. Oh, was I out of the picture? I hope not, but this is it. Let me do it again. I was not sure if I was in the picture. So Kawasaki Ninja in blue, please select neutral. You touch the neutral to positive, and then yellow is downshift and white is upshift up to sixth gear, and then it goes down again. So if everything is okay with you, I will ship them out tomorrow. Thank you and take care.